Hey loves, welcome to my channel. My name is Winnie G, and if you're new here and if you're returning, then hey girl, how you doing? I've been wearing my hair straight for a couple of days and I am bored. I'm tired, I'm over it. I want something new, okay? I want something big, something that says I'm here. Beyonce, okay? So today we're gonna go in with this curly V-part wig. All the details will be down below in the description bar if you guys want to check her out. Can you tell by my voice that I'm excited? Today's video is sponsored by UNice Hair. They sent me their new EasiContour V-part wig. I got it in the texture curly and she is gorgeous. I got her in 24 inches. I wanted something long but not like too long. I feel like once you get into the 26, 28, 30 era, it's giving a lot, okay? So I feel like 24 is that length right before it gets a little too crazy. One of my favorite things about this new cap construction is the fact that it has a drawstring in the back. The drawstring wigs have been eating the girls up lately. I really like how they're easy to customize and it still looks really nice and natural. If you tighten up your elastic band too tight and you don't have a drawstring, your wig can be a little saggy in the back. So I've been really loving this new cap construction. And it also has an upgraded V part. It's not lace and it's also not a track, so it's really easy to blend your hair with very minimal leave out, which I love. But before we get into the install, let's do a little bit of prep. Normally I install my wigs right out of the box, but I've really been liking to wash my hair first lately, especially with curly hair. So I'm going in with my Suave clarifying shampoo. I get this at Target. It's super inexpensive. I'll link it down below. It really gets the hair nice and clean without stripping it too much so it doesn't make it dry. Can't beat that with a bat. And I also believe it's less than $5. So I go in with the shampoo twice to get the hair really clean. If I need to, I'll do a third shampoo. And then I go in with the Suave moisturizing conditioner. This is the coconut one and I'm obsessed with how it smells, especially on curly hair. Something about a coconut, pineapple, tropical scent on curly hair just hits, okay? It just belongs. Now, this is the wig freshly air dried. As you can see, the curls are a lot more relaxed. Everything looks really natural. It doesn't look too perfect, which I love. And with this new V-part style, the best way to get it laid before your install is to go in with your flat iron and press it out after you shampoo the hair, just to get everything laid back into place. And because the drawstring gives me all of the security that I need, I'm also going ahead and taking out the elastic band because I really don't need it. Once you slide the drawstring down, it really gathers everything in the back and makes it nice and tight. And if you need to, you can adjust it to make it a bit looser. And I'm not gonna lie, the new drawstring caps are one of my favorite innovations from 2024. Like, let's keep this one, okay? Like, of all the changes and things y'all was trying in 2024, let's keep this one. The drawstring is genius. Normally, to blend my hair with the curly V part, I like to start off with curly hair. I have natural hair, so it's typically easy for me to blend with curly textures, but since my hair is already straightened, I'm gonna show you guys a different technique that I like to use that involves a little bit of heat, okay? Because I'm not wasting this silk press. My hair is already straight, we might as well go with it. So I went ahead and placed the clips around the part, put the combs into place on the sides and in the back so that everything was sitting how I needed to, and it's really nice and secure, but the blending at this point is a mess. So I'm going in with my wand curler, and this is my really small wand curl, and I'm picking up a piece of my leave out and a small piece of the extensions and wand curling them together. I don't go all the way to the end because I don't want it to look too perfect. I kind of just focus on the roots and just a little bit past where my natural hair goes. And it gives just enough curl to blend everything together really nicely, especially once you brush everything out and into place. So on the left, it's a mess, and on the right, the blending is together. Okay, so let's go ahead and finish that up. Now, once I have my leave out blended, I go in and pick random small sections of hair and wand curl those as well, just to blend all the textures together and make sure that it looks cohesive, not just wand curls on top. Adding a few throughout the hair, on the back and the front, on the sides, just really blends everything together really nicely. It's always easy for me to tell when somebody only used heat on their leave out. So definitely make sure you blend the textures together. And once you fluff everything out, this is the finished look. I love how this wig came out, but I also wanted to show you guys how versatile it is. So I'm doing a half up, half down, something super quick and easy. So you can see you don't have to wear it just one way. Because of the drawstring in the back and the shape of the wig, it's really easy to rotate it and switch your part, and it's also really fun to create little half up, half down styles like this. If you want to see more styles with this wig, then let me know and I can show you at least 5, but it's 2 in this video, and I hope that you guys really enjoyed them. All the details will be down below in the description bar, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, babes.